Hey creepy critters, I'm trying out a new intro. I don't know what to say. I don't want to say hey guys anymore cuz I mean, this is for everybody. So and we call our meetup group Creepy Critters. So I think I might start saying that if that works. I don't know if it'll stick. Anyways, so today I'm going to be getting ready to do an episode of Horror Movie Cocktails with Aunt Gore, and I'm gonna do Bride of Chucky. So I'm gonna make myself look kind of like Tiffany. I even have a wig. So I guess I'll just go ahead and show you my look. I'm going to only focus on showing you my eye look and then what I use for my lips and what I'm going to use for the mole. Otherwise, we'll cut out me actually doing my full face of makeup. If you want to see how I do the rest of my makeup, check out any of my other makeup videos. So let's get started. I'm going to start out by doing my smoky eye, which is really hard with my eyes because they're small and hooded. So it's taken a lot of practice to try and figure out a smoky eye look that looks right without my eyes getting lost in it. So I think I have a new technique that works fairly good, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start by priming my eyes with what I always prime my eyes with, and we'll have links below for all the stuff you see me use. And I'm not sponsored by anybody by any means. This is just what I like to use. So, this is the MAC Bear Studio Pro Longwear Paint Pot. It's in Bear Studio is the name of the color, but they have a few different ones. I guess it depends on what color your skin is, what color will work best for you. But it's a really great base, and it like makes my eyeshadow stay really, really well. So, and you don't need very much. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna start out by putting Celebrity Skin on my crease. That's in the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star. Okay, now I'm gonna take from my ColourPop Smoke Show palette, which is a really nice palette. I really like ColourPop. If you're looking for affordable makeup, I highly, highly recommend ColourPop. Everything I've tried of theirs is really great. I'm gonna take that, if I can open it, and I'm gonna take Ignite, and I'm going to do that on just the outer corner crease of my eye and blend it out as much as I can. And then I'm gonna take clean all of this up in a minute. I'm gonna take the Cullinan. I don't know how you say that. In the Blue Blood palette, the white shimmery one. I'm gonna take that and blend out my brow bone. I love this movie, by the way. Like, it's like the Chucky movies were awesome, but once you add Tiffany, they're like the best. Like, they're so ridiculous. I really, really like the very last one. I can't wait for the TV series, but no, not that crappy robot one. The last actual Chucky movie. Cult of Chucky, right? Yeah, Cult of Chucky. The ending is amazing, and I can't wait to see where they're gonna go from there with it. But it's great. So yeah, it's one of my favorite series. They're so stupid and cheesy and ridiculous. Okay, now I'm gonna take Diet Cola. And in the Conspiracy Jeffree Star Shane Dawson palette. You could also here use the Starstruck in the ColourPop palette if you have this palette and just want to use that. But I like this one just a little bit better. So I'm gonna use that on all of my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the smoke show and Night Dream, which is the really black one, and I'm gonna take that just in the corner of both of my eyes and like kind of blend it out and flick it a little bit so it kind of goes out. And then I'll clean everything up with a Kleenex. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Oh, sorry, I already have it over here. And I promise, I swear, I will do a video just on eyeliner soon. Okay. Now I'm gonna like do the rest of my face, minus my lips, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do them all. But so next time you see me, I'll have the rest of my makeup done. So see you in a second. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna do my mole real fast, and then I'll do my lips. Since Tiffany has a mole. Last year we went to Bride of Chucky, and I dressed up as Tiffany, and because it's like our Valentine's Day tradition now to go to Queer Horror for Valentine's Day. It's always fun. But yeah, last year, so I painstakingly like tried to draw a little tiny heart mole, because it was Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do the same thing this time, but a friend of ours, Jill, had like came over when we were eating in a restaurant and showed us her little heart stamp. And I'd seen these, but I hadn't tried them out. And she put one on my hand, and it lasted forever. So these like last for a long time. It came with a heart one, a moon one, and a flower one, and then is that it? Heart, flower, moon. I think that was it. Maybe a star, I'm not sure. But anyways, but you can find these. I just got it on Amazon. It was super cheap. And it has like an eyeliner on the other end. Since the stamp lasted really long, I'm guessing it works pretty well as an eyeliner, but I haven't tried it as an eyeliner yet. I haven't tried this at all, actually, just my friend's stamp. So, and since Tiffany has like a mole like right here, I'm just gonna stamp that right there. That worked pretty good. There's a little bit on the outside though that I'm super not happy about. Let's see if we can clean that up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna line them first with a similar-ish color. It's a Kylie one. I have no idea. Like, it's so old and worn off. I have no idea which color this is, but it's like a reddish burgundy type color. And then I'm gonna use this Hard Candy Wet Ever. Again, very worn off. I had this for a while. And it's in Entitled. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. By the way, that heart stamp would be really great if you wanted to do a Harley Quinn look. Because doesn't she, I think she does a heart on either side or one side. Either way, yeah. And that's gonna be like really fun to play around with. Stamp all over my face. That day I'm gonna do that with Harley Quinn. We'll go to Bird Spray. I might do a makeup video for that. I'm not sure yet. Okay, now I'm gonna take the gloss. Okay. I think I am done. So now I'm gonna go finish getting dressed and get ready to record another episode of Horror Movie Cocktails with Aunt Gore. So stay tuned for that. And we'll have a picture of my look, and then of course if you want to see more pictures and more of my looks, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook at Aunt Gore. I mean Facebook, it's Laura Fress, and then in parentheses Aunt Gore, but yeah, and we'll have links below for that. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another episode of Horror Movie Cocktails with Aunt Gore. Thanks for watching.